Are you looking for the best home generators? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best home generators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Generac Guardian 24 kW Standby Generator, Model 7209. Air-cooled generators are the typical choice for backup residential power. This type of generator offers simple maintenance and affordability. The Generac Guardian 24 kW is one of the largest air-cooled generators available, providing up to 24,000 watts of power when connected to a propane fuel supply. Homeowners looking for a generator to handle increased power demands will appreciate this capable unit. It also offers Wi-Fi capabilities to monitor the unit's operation from anywhere with the Mobile Link app. This popular generator model maximizes power output but minimizes space requirements. The unit is 4 feet long and 2 feet wide, larger than the most compact generators available but on par with typical whole-home generators. Generac also equipped this unit with a quiet test weekly self-test mode that operates at just 57 decibels. During regular operation, the generator is rated for 67 decibels, which is average operating noise but impressive for a generator of this power capacity. This model doesn't include a transfer switch, so you'll need to purchase that separately. Number 2. Generac PowerPact 7500 watt generator. The Generac PowerPact is a basic but well-equipped home generator and an excellent budget buy. Designed to serve as a backup generator for the most essential appliances, this model includes an automatic transfer switch that can cover up to 8 circuits. It supplies up to 7,500 watts of power when using propane but can also operate on natural gas. However, power output is limited to 6,000 watts. As expected for a bare-bones generator, this model lacks Wi-Fi monitoring capabilities. It also lacks an engine hour meter, but an aftermarket meter can be installed to help with routine oil changes and maintenance. 3 sides of the generator's aluminum enclosure are also removable to make maintenance and repairs easier. Number 3. WEN Dual Fuel Portable Generator. You can use a portable generator for your home for short-term and limited power needs. This dual-fuel whole-house generator from WEN can be easily converted to operate on propane fuel, with the twist of a dial, and can produce up to 4,750 surge watts and 3,800 running watts when powered by gasoline. It can run for 7 hours with its 20-pound propane tank or for 11 hours at half load on the internal 4-gallon gas tank. A 47-inch gas hose is also part of the set. While most portable generators include a push-button start, this model's electric start is key-operated for your convenience. It might not be enough power to keep major appliances or a central cooling system operational, but it will make short power outages more bearable. Another thing to keep in mind is that it doesn't have a carbon monoxide detector. Number 4. Goal Zero Yeti 1500X Portable Power Station. The Goal Zero Yeti 1500X has a lithium-ion battery that can store up to 1,500 watts of power. While you might think that a portable power station lacks the juice to keep your home up and running in the event of a power failure, this top-of-the-line version from Goal Zero has enough power to operate a refrigerator for up to 21 hours. You can charge it through a solar panel, wall charger, or 12V car charger. It's also lightweight, under 50 pounds, so you can pack it for a camping trip or store it in your safe space during inclement weather. The Goal Zero Yeti 1500X cannot replace a whole-home generator but can serve as a short-term power supply. There are no fuel gauges to monitor, maintenance to perform, or exhaust fumes to worry about. In the event of a power failure, plug your most important devices and appliances into the outlets of the Yeti 1500X, which includes a pair of 120V AC outlets or USB ports. Number 5. Generac Guardian 10 kW Home Backup Generator, Model 71710. If you want nearly instant power restoration for key systems in the event of a power failure, install a backup generator like the Generac Guardian. This 10 kW model offers Wi-Fi monitoring and is equipped for natural gas or propane fuel sources. You pair it based on your needs with a 100 amp 16-circuit transfer switch or a 200 amp smart switch. This generator boasts a sturdy aluminum casing with a powder-coated finish, ensuring it's resistant to corrosion and suitable for use in any weather condition. The Generac Guardian backup generator is always ready to supply power to the most important systems of your home by conducting a weekly self-test lasting about 5 or 12 minutes. This model is fuel-efficient and operates quietly, with the 5-minute test cycle producing only 57 decibels of noise. Number 6. 10,000 watt tri-fuel portable generator. If you are searching for a reliable generator to power your refrigerator, window AC, computer, phone charger, and other appliances, look no further than the Champion Power Equipment Tri-Fuel Generator. Unlike other generators on this list, you can operate this one on 3 different fuel types. This Champion generator model delivers maximum power output when fueled with gasoline. It can produce up to 10,000 peak watts and 8,000 running watts using gasoline. When the fuel tank is full, the engine can operate at 50% load for 12.5 hours. The Champion Tri-Fuel Generator has advanced safety features, including a carbon monoxide sensor and low-oil shutoff. Its digital LCD screen is also highly informative, showing the voltage, frequency, session runtime, and total runtime, which are useful in monitoring output and maintenance schedules. The generator does not include a 50A outlet. However, it boasts several other outlets, such as a 120V30A locking outlet, L5-30R, a 120V/240V30A locking outlet, L14-30R, and 4 120V20A GFCI-protected household outlets, 5-20R. These outlets offer users flexibility, allowing them to power various appliances, tools, and devices. Overall, this is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable, multi-use power source.